In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and earn daily commissions, all without showing your face. I'll share with you which product people are already searching for, which product you should start promoting, and you don't need followers or paid tools to get started, just a Pinterest account and the right strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step so you can start earning with Amazon's affiliate program today, and let's get started. First, you guys need to create an affiliate account with Amazon like this one, okay? So step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here like this and you will be in this page. Click on sign up over here. Of course, it's for free. Click on create your Amazon account and here you go. The sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon. Okay, so you will start seeing your summary here, your commissions and bounties over here. Okay, anyway, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that people will be interested to buy from you from Pinterest. Okay, I want you to pay close attention in this step. So here is what you will do next. You will go and open amazon.com like this, okay, and search for this product. Search for skin care. Search for product in this category of skin care. Okay, search for skin care. Scroll down. I want you also to pay close attention, please. If I scroll down, you will find here different and a lot of products from different sellers. What you need to do next is you need to choose product that people already paid for. Okay, so how you can choose good products? Always choose product that got at least over 1000 sales in the past month. Okay, so for example like this one, you can see that this product here, over 100k people paid for this product in the past month, meaning that this product is working and a lot of people are paying for this product, okay, and they are interested in this one. Okay, if I scroll more, we have also, for example, like this one also, guys, over 100k people paid for this one. We have this one, over 50k people paid for this one in the past month. You can see the numbers don't lie. Okay, people are buying those products. So for you, what you will do next, you need to choose good one. So for example, I'm going to choose like this one, over 100k. That this product that's got over 100k sales in the past month, which is crazy. Okay, I will choose this one. I will click on this product on Amazon here. Just click on the product that you want to use and you will be directly in this Amazon product page. What you need to do next is you need to promote this product on Pinterest. Okay, so you need to create a business account on Pinterest. So if you don't have one, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. And also, guys, you should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are using the right strategy and you are promoting product that people will be interested to buy from you. Okay, so 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. Also, Pinterest is a search engine. It's like Google and YouTube. Okay, what you will do, you will click here after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest. You will click on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon product page and click on this picture. So we have a picture here, which is really good. We will double click on the picture and click on save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop. So I will click on save and I will click here on save, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go and go back to Pinterest, okay, and click on this icon over here and upload your picture. Guys, you can use Canva to edit this picture and make it your own picture. Okay, you can go to Canva, use Canva and edit the picture to make it looks more professional. Okay, so for me, I will use this picture for now like this, and I will scroll down. I need to put title and description. I will go back to this Amazon product page and I will copy this title like this. And what I will do next, I will go and use AI. I will use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Click here on Ask Anything and ask ChatGPT to turn this Amazon product, okay, title into Pinterest pin title, okay, into Pinterest pin title, and use good SEO. And here you go, put this product title here, click over here, and you will get a professional and good title that you can use for your Pinterest pin, uh, Pinterest pin that you can use to promote this Amazon affiliate product on Pinterest. So you have a lot of different titles. You can choose which one you like. I will copy this one here. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this product title here. I need to put description. I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him again, create pin description from this title. Just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create a good and a professional description for you, okay? And here you go with hashtags and good. It's looking good. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here, okay? Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to this Amazon product page to get your affiliate link. It's super easy. Just click over here on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. So you need to copy this link and go back to Pinterest. And for you guys, if you have new account, it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website, okay? And inside your landing page or your affiliate website, put all the product that you want to promote, and here on Pinterest, put your landing page link or website link. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it. And scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay? So how you can find tags, go back to ChatGPT and ask him to give you tags, okay? That's it. You should start using ChatGPT. AI will help you a lot to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and grow your Pinterest account with good SEO, okay? You should start using ChatGPT. Copy those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. You will find your pin will be like this. As you can see, this will be your picture. You have your good title. This is your description. And if people click over here on visit site, they will be directly in this Amazon product page. If they buy this product from you, you earn a commission. That's exactly how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.